You won't find this in a sales brochure, but some SUVs are engineered to deliver long-term reliability with minimal upkeep. Others, they're ticking time bombs of costly repairs, inflated warranty plans, and insurance hikes. After years of working directly with these machines, I've learned which models earn their reputation and which just look good on paper. In this video, I'll reveal 10 SUVs that are engineered to save you thousands of dollars over years of ownership. These models are commonly driven well past 250,000 miles by real-world drivers. Some come with warranties that stretch a full decade, while others outperform luxury brands in resale value. Stay with me until the end because no one knows what's going to happen. Mazda CX-5. If you're after a compact SUV that combines luxury design with affordable long-term upkeep, the Mazda CX-5 is a top contender. With a starting price around $29,000 and fully loaded trims reaching $40,000, it offers a premium experience without the burden of high ownership costs. Annual maintenance averages approximately $500 annually according to RepairPal, well below the compact SUV average. The CX-5's longevity comes from Mazda's Skyactiv engines, including a naturally aspirated 2.5-liter and a turbocharged variant. These engines are known for reliability, avoiding many of the common issues seen in rivals, such as transmission breakdowns or oil burning. Drivers routinely hit over 200,000 miles with only basic maintenance. Mazda's 3-year 36,000-mile basic warranty and 5-year 60,000-mile powertrain coverage add peace of mind, but most owners never need to rely on them. Toyota 4Runner. The Toyota 4Runner has built a reputation as one of the most durable body-on-frame SUVs around. Starting near $42,200 and reaching into the mid-$50,000, the 4Runner isn't exactly budget, but its low long-term cost more than justifies the price. It delivers genuine off-road capability with average annual maintenance costs of only $514. Its secret? A time-tested 4-liter V6 paired with a straightforward 5-speed automatic transmission. There's no turbocharging or overcomplicated tech, just solid, proven engineering. With regular maintenance, these vehicles commonly exceed 300,000 miles. The 3-year 36,000-mile basic and 5-year 60,000-mile powertrain coverage come standard. Add to that affordable insurance rates and top-tier resale value, and the 4Runner is an easy long-term win. Honda CR-V. For those seeking reliability and low ownership costs, the Honda CR-V remains a gold standard. Starting around $31,000 and approaching $42,000 for the hybrid trims, it delivers massive value up front and even more over time. The CR-V is among the cheapest compact SUVs to maintain, with RepairPal estimating only $410 annually. Honda's naturally aspirated engines and efficient, continuously variable transmissions are built for long-term dependability. Many CR-V owners report 200,000 miles or more with minimal repairs. Its resale value remains high year after year, and reliability ratings from Consumer Reports and J.D. Power consistently place it among the top contenders. Honda offers a 3-year 36,000-mile basic warranty and 5-year 60,000-mile powertrain coverage, though many owners rarely need to tap into them. Lexus GX. For a luxury SUV that's rugged enough to handle off-road trails and refined enough for city driving, the Lexus GX delivers both prestige and endurance. Starting at $66,185 for the GX 550 Premium, it's not a low-cost option up front, but what you get in return is decades of value. It shares underpinnings with Toyota's legendary Land Cruiser, ensuring mechanical toughness. Powered by a 3.4-liter twin-turbocharged V6 and featuring full-time 4-wheel drive, the GX is engineered for longevity. Despite being a luxury SUV, RepairPal lists its average annual maintenance cost at just $770. Many owners pass the 250,000-mile mark with minimal breakdowns. The 4-year 50,000-mile basic and 6-year 70,000-mile powertrain warranties provide solid coverage, but most owners report minimal issues even beyond those periods. It's the perfect blend of comfort, performance, and practical reliability. Honda Tucson. The 2025 Hyundai Tucson is one of the best compact SUVs for long-term ownership. Priced from around $27,000 to $38,000, it combines affordability with one of the best warranties in the industry, 10 years or 100,000 miles on the powertrain. Its average annual repair cost of $490 places it well below the segment average. Hyundai's focus on reliability shows through in Tucson's naturally aspirated and hybrid drivetrains, which avoid the common faults like transmission slippage or oil leaks that plague competitors. J.D. Power and Consumer Reports consistently rate the Tucson high for predicted dependability. With a broad dealer network and accessible service nationwide, this SUV is one of the smartest investments for drivers who want stress-free ownership. Acura MDX. Acura, Honda's luxury division, offers the MDX as a premium SUV with rock-solid dependability. It competes with German luxury brands while offering a far more affordable ownership experience. With an annual repair estimate of $590 and impressive reliability well past 150,000 miles, the MDX is a luxury SUV that won't break the bank. The MDX shares many mechanical components with other Honda models, simplifying repairs and lowering part costs. Its 3.5-liter V6 engine and reliable automatic transmission are built for endurance. The vehicle comes with a 4-year 50,000-mile basic warranty and a 6-year 70,000-mile powertrain warranty, yet many drivers go well beyond these limits with few issues. It's the perfect blend of comfort, performance, and practical reliability. Toyota Corolla Cross. As one of the most affordable and reliable compact SUVs on the market, the Toyota Corolla Cross stands out. Priced between $23,000 and $30,000, it offers unbeatable value, especially considering its projected repair costs of just $450 per year. It excels in both J.D. Power and Consumer Reports reliability metrics. The Corolla Cross is known to exceed 200,000 miles with only routine servicing. Its simple yet efficient mechanical design, combined with Toyota's massive parts and service network, makes maintenance easy and affordable. Covered by a 3-year 36,000-mile basic warranty and a 5-year 60,000-mile powertrain warranty, the Corolla Cross rarely even requires warranty work. Subaru Outback. The Subaru Outback combines all-wheel drive performance with low operating costs, making it ideal for drivers who tackle rough weather or longer commutes. Starting around $30,000 and climbing to $40,000, it includes standard all-wheel drive, a rarity in this price range, and boasts average repair costs of just $600 annually. Unlike many all-wheel drive systems, Subaru's design keeps repair costs down. Many Outbacks pass the 200,000-mile milestone with few major repairs. Its naturally aspirated engine and durable continuously variable transmission contribute to its strong reliability scores. Warranty coverage includes 3 years or 36,000 miles for basic and 5 years or 60,000 miles for the powertrain. The Outback remains a dependable choice for real-world drivers. Lexus NX. If you're looking for a compact luxury SUV that doesn't come with constant repair headaches, the Lexus NX deserves attention. Starting around $42,000 and extending to nearly $55,000, it offers the refinement of a premium vehicle with the mechanical reliability of a Toyota. With annual repair costs averaging just $570, it's far cheaper to own than most other luxury SUVs. What makes it so reliable? The NX shares components with Toyota platforms, including hybrid systems and electronics, which means fewer failures and more predictable service. Lexus includes a 4-year 50,000-mile basic warranty and a 6-year 70,000-mile powertrain warranty. Lexus's widespread and customer-friendly dealer network also ensures quick service and affordable parts, avoiding the premium repair prices typical of other luxury brands. Honda Pilot. Need a 3-row SUV that doesn't empty your wallet? The Honda Pilot is a smart pick. Starting around $41,650 for base trims and reaching $56,000 for the fully loaded Black Edition, it's built for families and long-haul dependability. Despite its size, average annual maintenance runs just $542. The Pilot's 3.5-liter naturally aspirated V6 paired with a 10-speed automatic transmission has proven extremely reliable. Owners often exceed 200,000 miles with few repairs beyond routine maintenance. Though RepairPal gives it a 3.5 out of 5 for reliability, real-world owners consistently praise its durability. Honda's warranty, 3 years or 36,000 miles basic, 5 years or 60,000 miles for the powertrain, adds further reassurance. But that's only half the story. Even after buying the right SUV, most drivers fall into hidden ownership traps. Warranty scams, sneaky insurance hikes, and tech features that silently sabotage long-term reliability. Here's how to avoid those. 1. Extended warranties are marked up. Dealers often double the price of extended warranties. You can buy the same plans directly from providers like Zurich or Toyota Financial for much less. 2. Insurance rates reflect repair complexity, not just safety. Insurance premiums are now tied more to repair difficulty than crash ratings. SUVs with radar sensors or specialty parts often cost more to insure. 3. Continuously variable transmissions can be risky. CVTs may boost fuel economy, but they can fail after 100,000 miles, especially in brands like Nissan and early Subarus. Toyota's version is more robust. If long-term ownership is your goal, stick with conventional automatics or Toyota's hybrid gear-based systems. 4. Luxury hybrids and EVs depreciate fast. Electric and luxury hybrid SUVs like the Mercedes EQ or BMW plug-ins can lose up to 50% of value within 24 months. Focus not just on purchase price, but total cost of ownership and resale value. Knowledge is the real power when buying a vehicle. The SUVs in this list aren't just reliable, they're financially smart. Combine that with the tips above and you're on your way to years of worry-free driving. Like, subscribe, and share this with someone looking to buy soon, because the right SUV won't just take you where you're going, it'll keep you out of the repair shop.